Welcome to this session. In this session, we will learn immunology, interferons, immunology, paper 6th semester, BSc Zoology. This is Dr. K. Sivaprasad, lecturer in Zoology, SVSS Government Degree College, Surgutpeta, SPS and Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh. Today, we will learn interferons. Interferons, the family of alpha and beta. INF alpha macrophages, dendritic cells, virus infected cells includes an antiviral state in most nucleated cells. Increases MHC class 1 expression activated NK cells. Interferon beta main action on macrophages, dendritic cells, virus infected cells, induces an antiviral state in most nucleated cells, increases MHC. MHC means major histocompatibility complex class 1 expression. It activates NK cells. These are the main functions of the interferons. Interferons type 1 are composed of interferons alpha, a family of about 20 related proteins, and interferon beta, which are secreted by activated macrophages and dendritic cells, as well as by virus infected cells. Interferons alpha and beta are also secreted by virally infected cells after recognition of viral components by pattern recognition receptors, PRRs. PRR means pattern recognition receptors. It's located either at the cell surface or inside the cell. Intracellular pattern recognition receptors may interact with virally derived nucleic acids or with endocytosed viral particles. The secreted type 1 interferons then interact in turn with membrane-bound interferon receptors on the surfaces of many different cell types. However, they simultaneously inhibit normal cellular functions and destroy virally infected cells so that the infection cannot spread. This is the interferon type 1. Type 1 interferons are dimers of 18 to 20 kilodalton polypeptides, predominantly helical in structure, and some membranes of this family are naturally glycosylated. Type 1 interferons are used in the treatment of a variety of human disease, most notably hepatitis infections. Type 2 interferons, otherwise known as interferon gamma, is produced by activated T and NK cells and is released as a dimer. Interferons gamma is a powerful modulator of the adaptive immune response. Biasing T cell help towards the Th1 type and inducing the activation of macrophages with subsequent destruction of any intracellular pathogens and the differentiation of cytotoxic T cells. All three interferons increase the expression of MHC complex proteins of the surface of cell, thus enhancing their antigen presenting capabilities. Interference gamma is used medically to bias the adaptive immune system towards a cytotoxic response in diseases such as leprosy and toxoplasmosis, in which antibody responses are less effective than those that destroy infected cells. Minority membrane of the interferon family of cytotoxic include interleukin 10, secreted by monocytes and by T and B and dendritic cells and regulate immune responses. Interleukin 10 shares structural similarities with interferon gamma, and these similarities enable it to bind to the same class of receptors. In addition, a third class of interferons, the so-called interferon lambda or type 3 interferon family, was discovered in 2003. There are currently three members of this family: interferon 1, interleukin 29, interferon 2, interleukin 28A, and interferon 3, interleukin 28B. Like type 1 interference and type 3 interference upregulate the expression of genes controlling viral replication and host cell proliferation. Interference in clinical use, commonly interferon alpha 2A used in hepatitis B and hairy cell leukemia, Kaposi sarcoma, and hepatitis C. Interferon alpha 2B is commonly used in melanoma. Interferon beta 1B multiple sclerosis. It is used in multiple sclerosis. Same manner, interferon beta 1A multiple sclerosis. Interferon gamma 1B chronic granulomatosis disease CGD or osteopetrosis. These are the clinical applications of the interference.